Near may climb 7% by June 20 digital coin price projects. First, here's a glimpse of the recent price direction. At this hour, Near is down 5.1% over the last 24 hours and holding near $2.098. Time to check out today's forecast lineup. According to Coin Price Forecast, we might see $2.11 tomorrow, about 0.7% higher than now. Traders Union foresees Near heading for $2.126, roughly 1.5% more than the current price. According to CoinLore, the value may approach $2.20, an estimated increase of 5%. A separate analysis by Digital Coin Price suggests Near could climb to $2.242, roughly 7% up. To finish, 30 rates points to $2.281 by June 20, which is a 8.9% increase. This is the most rewarding forecast we found. That's it for the 5 forecasts. Let's move on. Now let's take a step into what each forecast might deliver. Looking at the entire range of predictions, the price movement could fall anywhere between an increase of 0.7% and a rise of 8.9%, depending on the analyst. Reviewing the results, 30 rates shows the highest return with 8.9% uplift in value by June 20. To sum it up, you could net between $7 and $89 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to the probability of success, Coin Price Forecast leads the way at 99.7%. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. The consensus base case points to near $2.192. Let's break it down step by step. Consensus expectations indicate a 4.6% move up. By the same amount in percentage terms, your capital might also rise. On 1,000, this might result in a potential $46 return. Based on the consensus, the probability for this outcome stands near 97.8%. Let's highlight what analysts predict for the market in the next 3 days. In this forecast, Coin Price Forecast describes a rising path. Likewise, Traders Union anticipates the price gaining in the coming days. Similarly, CoinLore signals the price is following an ascending path. A rising course is likewise projected by Digital Coin Price. 30 rates suggest bearish momentum will dominate. The consensus outlook highlights Near advancing on a rising path over the 3-day period. Altogether, 80% of forecasts suggest Near could move higher. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's check them against yesterday's price. As a result, the day closed with the price at $2.238. Yesterday showed that most analysts captured the correct move. The prediction with the highest precision was made by Traders Union. Let's zoom in on the individual results. 2 forecasts matched yesterday's range. Looking at ROI, some forecasts closed in the green and the highest figure was 2.9%. On screen now is the summary table. It brings together all the latest forecast results. Traders Union reached accuracy. While forecast probability was 99.5% and ROI 2.1%, take a closer look and see who seems to be performing best in this set. Now take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow vary across different assets and Near. Our featured asset leads the profitability, ranking with 4.6%. At this stage, Near is reviewed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already up on my website. Before you go, subscribe to stay updated with the next group of analyst predictions. Talk to you in the next data review.